The Union has been showing solidarity with Ukraine through a number of tools. The most visible and tangible one is financial support. Until now, it's 88 billion euros in a Team Europe approach, so both funds from the Union budget and from Member States' bilateral assistance for economic, humanitarian, military support, and also support for the Ukrainian refugees residing in Member States. On top of that, there is very wide military support in relation to training and also legal enabling of Ukraine refugees residing legally in the Union having access to the labor market, education and social support. Most importantly, 1st of March this year, so less than 2 weeks ago, Ukraine facility has entered into force. That's a new instrument of up to 50 billion euro to support the Ukraine state, but also its recovery and modernization over the next 4 years. In terms of process, we are in a very precise moment in time. Earlier this week, the Commission has submitted to the Council a proposal for the negotiating framework. That's a document that structures the negotiations, which now is for the Council to consider. Ukraine has to complete the steps that the Commission has identified in its enlargement report in November. What I will think will be most difficult is, as it is for other negotiating countries, its implementation. Accession process is not only about taking over the Union law, it's about implementing it in practice. It was both a very formative learning experience. The College of Europe Natolin offered a great preparation for my future career, which was then firmly geared towards working towards European integration and with European integration matters.